Hello, and welcome to Coronavirus Hackathon's Crisis Response Mapping project. Let's first provide the necessary background information and our team's perspective for the creation of this project, starting with the problem. Our problem statement states that the COVID-19 pandemic creates a large amount of information that is reported from many sources, such as the CDC and JHU. These multiple sources make it difficult for government officials to stay up to date, which affects their ability to make decisions and establish preventative measures when necessary. Because of this problem, we hope to provide clarity and awareness to the ongoing pandemic by doing things such as creating a dynamic map to visualize the spread of the virus and include a trends dashboard with current statistics and enacted policies. We hope that completing these objectives will assist states and counties in making legislative decisions regarding the epidemic. Our solution proposal includes the use of Python and Flask web framework to create our own crisis response mapping website using HTML and CSS. It features a dynamic interactive map using Google's Map API, which allowed us to tie in live statistics for each state, as you can see in the top left. Below the map are data tables by state for cases and deaths, and even enacted policies for COVID-19. These data tables, taken from the Kaiser Family Foundation, are updated every 3 days. And so, we hope that our crisis response mapping projects will help provide clarity, prevent confusion, and proceed forward through this coronavirus epidemic. Thank you and stay safe.